Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have another one of my Black Friday kits from Diamond Art Club to show you. I'm excited for this one. This is the one that I had to wait for. This was a pre-order, but it was like just almost ready to go. You know what I mean? I had to wait just a week or week and a half before I got my order. It's around and I'm excited because it's a landscape and you know I love my landscapes, and most often, not all the time, but quite often, those landscape paintings are done with square drills, for the detail and all that. But this one is a round, and I am excited to see it. It's not Chuck Pinson, no, it's somebody else. So let's get it out, and I'll show you who it is and what it is, and we'll look at it. It should be gorgeous. Should be gorgeous. And since I'm doing an event in January called Rest, Relax, and Enjoy the View, all landscapes, all month long, this will be perfect. All right, so in their toolkit, there's a bunch of baggies. There's a tray, wax, pen, squishy, and there's a four-placer right there. The thin four-placer. Everything you need right there to diamond paint. No tweezers with this one because it's a round kit. You get tweezers with their square kits. All right, my sticker got folded a little. It's an Abraham Hunter, and it's called Christmas Tree Cabin, and you will not be surprised that Mindy got this, right? I had to have this, right? Of course I had to have this. Why wouldn't I? There's a red truck out front, a cabin in the woods, trees in the back of the truck, cardinals. Look at, there's gifts by the mailbox. Yeah. It's a 71 by 56. It's a lovely size. I love that size. Let's get into it and let's see it up close and personal. Yeah. What landscape painting do I work on in January? That is the question, because you know I have a ton. So Diamond Art Club's soft canvas. They're scalloped edges so it won't fray. It's poured glue. We're going to roll it backwards so that we can get everything out and we can look at it in all of its glory. All right. So I'm getting to the tail end of the whole cold, sinusy thing, feeling better. Still can hear it in my voice, still got that little bit of congestion, but I'm getting there. Starting to feel better. Okay. Here's your instruction booklet, tips, tricks. There's a code in here. If you are a first-time purchaser to Diamond Art Club and you have never purchased before, you can use my code. It is 10 off Mindy, and it will save you $10 off your first purchase at Diamond Art Club. After that, there are codes here on your canvas, usually in your box, your packing slip, codes everywhere to save you some money on future purchases, okay? And then you start saving up your points so that you can use your points to save money on future paintings. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Christmas Tree Cabin by Abraham Hunter. Your start and end date. All of this is sticker. Even the picture is a sticker if you take it off. Look at it. We're just out in the woods. How quiet and peaceful would that be, right? Rest, relax. Yeah. It's gorgeous. I love the size of it. The truck. They're getting ready for Christmas, bringing home the tree. It has 52 colors. These are individually cut, peelable labels to label your containers with. 52 different colors. Anything under 150 is an AB, so it looks like we have 4. White, yellow, pink, and a pale blue. Ooh, that should be pretty, right? There's the symbols, all the good stuff. All right. Okay, drills are over here. Christmas Tree Cabin. Oh, well. Hello, white AB. Hello, 2 bags of white AB right on the top there. Okay, yeah, love that. It's going to have a lot of white AB. Yay, it should, right? It's a Christmas scene. Here's the legend. Look, there's the window of the cabin. Nice. Oh, it's got AB in it. Look, number 3 is going to be like an orangey color. 3s are in the window for the light, Yes, okay. All right, here's our mailbox with our gifts. Oh my, I do love this size. Okay, love the size. As with all round kits, the image is a little more subdued when you see it on the canvas like this. Square drill paintings, the image will pop out just much clearer than on a round, but do not ever think these aren't going to turn out. It is going to turn out beautifully. Look, here's our mailbox, our gifts. Here's our cardinal. This is just all woods, woods, trees, sky, different, background. Here's your information. You can see the smoke coming out of the chimney, right? They got a fire going. They're ready to decorate their tree and enjoy their holiday season out here in the woods. Right? Just anyhow, courtesy of MHS Licensing, Abraham Hunter. Love it. Love Abraham Hunter. He is fantastic. Definitely one of the artists that you could focus on in January if you are going to join my event with Angie. So anyhow, love it. Love it. Let's look at the drills. We already know we have a whole bunch of white AB. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, it's popping out here right at the beginning, those white ABs. All right, so some grays and kind of a bluish gray. 775, yay, 3 bags of that. Here's the 2 bags we already saw, sorry, of the white AB. Aurora Borealis, iridescent coating on those drills makes them sparkle, pick up colors, just shine and shimmer. It just adds twinkle and sparkle and highlights to your paintings. I love that. Love it. All right, green. This is an army green color. Some more greens. Gray. We have some red. Well, of course we have red. We have a cardinal. We have a red truck. Lots of tan and brown colors. Creams. And here's our next big strip here. All right. Hang on. Hold the phone. Okay. Lots of blues in this one. Love it. Tans, grays. Very pretty. More blue. Another red. Okay, 125. 125 is like a mint color. It's just slightly off-white with a little mint hue to it. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right. Some more grays. Another brown. Last strip. Seeing a theme here. Blues, grays, browns. And then here's some colors. Look, some orange and pink. Here's the orange AB. That's very nice. That's for the windows. We already saw some of that. Some cranberry colors. Oh, and here's our pink. Our pink AB right there. And not a lot of pink. We'll see if we can locate where the pink goes. And some more pink. Look at that bright pink. All right. So let's see if we can find the ABs on this. They're 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is that mint color. That one is probably going to be the hardest to find because it's a light mint. Okay, I have found it. It's here along the rooftop of the cabin. Right here along the roof and up here on the roof is where we're going to find the ones. And that's probably the only place we're going to find the ones is there. So they've done the roof of the house, the cabin. Love that. Okay. 2 is pink. I think I saw the pink. I think it's in the truck, which seems weird, but it works. I've done several red trucks and they have pink in them and it works. So yes, they just make a highlight on areas of the truck, like on the wheel well here. There's a few of the pink. Here is a few of the pink, and here it just blends in with the reds that they use, and it really works. It does. It seems strange, but trust me, it works. We know where the 3s are. The 3s are in the windows. Every single window has some of the orange ABs to bring out that light, that glowing light from inside. All right, that's where your 3s are. 4s are white. Okay, where's the 4s? Everywhere, right? There's 2 bags of them. They're everywhere. So if we start over here, it's peppered everywhere. Down in here in the evergreens, the snow on the ground, through here, there's white throughout the truck, little spots on the truck. See the snow? It's like snowing, like little flakes, little dots in the sky. AB. Yep, white AB. All across the ground in the snow, we have white AB through the evergreens. And then we have more up here on the cabin, like on the post here. This peak right here, the smoke is white AB. And then, you know, there's some in the windows even. And then it's like snowing. It's like got snowflakes, you know, and they're little dots of white AB coming down because it's snowing, right? So our little snowflakes are white ABs. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. So pretty. Definitely a contender for January, for sure. I just love it. Oh my gosh. And then look at this snow is going to be blue, the little driveway, and blue here. That's why there's so many different blues. It's going to be gorgeous. And what I'm going to like about it is there's not one big solid swatch of color anywhere. Like it's not one big pink or blue or gray sky. There's so many trees and things that, you know, this is the biggest patch right here, I think, of one color is here. So it's going to be very, quite a variety, which is going to make it fun to work on. I tend to get bored easily if I have just like huge blocks of color. So this is going to break it up nicely. I love it. Just love it. What do you think of it? Did you get it? I know I've heard from a couple people. They were like, I got the same 3 paintings you did. And I was like, well, you know, great minds think alike. That's all I can say. But yeah, it's gorgeous. I believe it's available now. If it is, I will link it below. I think it is available to purchase if you would like it. It's beautiful. All right, gorgeous. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody, and hanging out for a little while and checking out this gorgeous painting. And let me know what you think, okay? You can comment below and, you know, tell me you loved it, you got it, you thought about it, you might think about it now, you know, all those fun things. And if you liked the video, you know, a thumbs up would be appreciated. So there you go. All right, I hope to talk to you soon. I do have more unboxings to do and other fun things that aren't unboxings. So there you go. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, everybody.